Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you how I make this powerful pineapple drink for weight loss, belly fat. If you are someone who is struggling to lose weight, to lose that belly fat, this drink is for you. To start, we're gonna need one big pineapple. We're gonna need 2 cucumbers, some ginger, and 4 lemons. The reason I'm using all that is because I'm making this drink for a week. If you are not making that much, use half of everything. You don't have to use all that. I'm just gonna get everything prepped. You can watch the video, follow along. We're gonna get everything clean, cut everything, and I will be right back. Pineapple have so many benefits, I don't even know where to start. Like vitamin C, help you with weight loss, boost your immune system, help you with digestions, a lot. You guys, I did a lot of research. You can do your research, but this pineapple, cucumber, ginger, lemons, if you're talking about weight loss, you don't talk about lemons, ginger, you're not doing it. You're not doing it right. If you want, you can just squeeze your lemon, but I'm going to use a juicer, so it's better for me like that. After we done prep everything, we're gonna start the process. I'm using a juicer. If you do not have a juicer, you can definitely use your blender to get all the juice out. If you are blending the pineapple, you do not have to add water. Pineapple already made up like 68% of water, if I'm not mistaken. You do not have to add water. If you are using your blender, make sure you cut everything super small so you don't break your blender. This is all juice from one pineapple. And I'm not gonna use water. I will not add water to this, but it's optional. If you want, you can mix it with a little bit of water, but the way it works for me, just like that. I don't add water. Super strong. I'm telling you, this drink works. Help me. I already lost 20 pounds and I've been drinking this drink like for a little bit over 2 weeks. Yeah, it really works. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, and if you find this recipe is helpful, please give me a like and share this video if you don't mind. After we finish with everything, we're gonna give it a good mix, make sure everything well combined. This is all the juice from the product, no water added. I did not add any water. This is all 1 pineapple, 2 cucumbers, the ginger, and the full lemons. Yes, that's all. I did not add any water. And this is it, guys. I'm telling you, this drink is super powerful. Try it and let me know how it works for you. I drink 1 in the morning before breakfast and 1 at night before bed. This is the best way to lose that belly fat. Do not skip a night or a morning. Be consistent and you will see results. Bye guys, see you in the next video.